Good morning, all, and welcome to the morning phone call. First, we'll start with technical and derivative updates. So, what we saw on Monday is basically Nifty did reclaim the psychological mark of 17,500 on the closing basis, and it has closed above the set levels for the first time since 12th April 22. So, it's almost like 4 month closing high for the index. And if we see the technical setup, then till we hold now 17,300, the bias shall remain positive, and we might make a dash towards 17,800, 18,000 levels going forward. The crucial level for this momentum to continue is 17,150. We still feel that if we don't close below 17,150, then we might have a consolidation or a time correction rather than price correction. But if we close below 17,150, then price correction shall come in, and we might make a drop towards 16,500 on levels. But till we hold above this, then the bias shall remain positive. Even on the sector specific, what we saw is that barring Nifty, IT, and Pharma, which closed flattish or negative. All other indices close in the green, with Nifty Metal being the best performing sector for the day, closing with gains of over a percentage point, while Nifty Bank, Auto, and Media too close with good gains. Even for Bank Nifty, the view remains on the similar line. It has closed above the psychological mark of 38,000, and this is the first, and it has also traded the swing high of 4th August. So the crucial resistance zone will be the swing high of 4th April, that is 38,765. So that level needs to be watched out, and if we don't close or break this level on a closing basis or T plus 2 basis, then we might see some profit taking at higher levels, while the gap up area of gap up area of fourth a of 30 gap up area. The recent gap is 37 100 and 36 850. So this zone shall act as immediate support for the Bank Nifty. On the flow side, on the institutional side, FI in the cash market, they had a net buy figure of 1449 crores, while DI had a small net sell figure of 140 odd crores. On the derivative front, what we saw is that Nifty futures did saw some long build up to the tune of 8%, with an addition of 0.94 million shares. So with that, the total outstanding position stands at 13.05 million shares. Even the PCRY saw a sharp uptick, wherein it closed at 1.3 as compared to its previous close of 1.05. While the option distribution suggests that huge option put writing was seen in 17,400 and 17,500 strikes, while the call writers have shifted higher to 17,800 and 17,900. So from Monday's session, the range has shifted higher. Previously, it was 17,200 to 17,500 odd. Now the range seems to have shifted higher to 17,400 being the base, and 17,900 being the roof for the Nifty as per the option distribution. Even the Bank Nifty futures did saw long build up to the tune of 12.5%, and with that, the total OI stands at 30.54 lakh shares as against 27.18 lakh shares. And FII in the FNO market, in the index futures, they had a net buy figure of 137 crores. Index option, they had a net buy figure of 5330 crores. Stock futures, they had a net buy figure of 436 crores, and stock option, there a small net sell figure of 158 crores. So all in all, the net they had a net buy figure of 5745 crores in futures and options. The stocks that are in FNO band for today's sessions are Escort, Balrampur Chini, and Delta Corp. While some long additions were stock specifically even seen in Hindustan Copper, India Cement, Tata Chemical, Coal India, and Maharaja Battery, while few shorts were seen in Elchem Labs, Balakrishna Industries, BPCL, and FSL. And in the derivative report, we have given buy on Axis Bank futures, where we can buy in the range of 743 to 747. The stop is 727, while the target is 787. So that would be it from my end. I'll pass it over to Bhavesh sir for further research updates. Over to you, sir.
Hi, good morning, team. So, few results from my side. First, Zensa reported subdued profitability, although sales growth was higher at 22% YOY. But going forward, also, we expect overall revenue to be impacted by macro-related challenges and decline in discretionary spend in high-tech manufacturing and consumer services. So, also, margins are likely to be impacted by wage hikes and slowdown in revenue growth. So, overall outlook is quite weak for Zensa. Second, Indian hotels reported very strong results. The demand in leisure and recovery in business travel has been significant, and we have seen that in VIP industries also, which reported very all-time high sales for the June quarter, which is seasonally best quarter for it. For Indian hotel, net sales were higher by 267% to nearly 1260 crores, and EBITDA was at 370 crores compared to negative EBITDA that it had reported in 1Q FY22. So very strong results, and but valuations have run up quite sharply. So we await better entry points. And then Everest Kanto reported results, which where sales was okay with 13.6% growth to 381 crores, but margins, just like what we have seen in many companies, margins fell by nearly 400 basis point to 16%. So this is quite little negative for it. But then going forward, we'll have to see how management tries to increase the prices, or even if steel prices, the raw material prices themselves have fallen. So next quarter could likely be normalizing. So we need to wait in the call. Then on PSP projects, so PSP projects Q1 came in line with our expectation. Revenue was higher by 9% and EBITDA higher by 20%. So EBITDA improved 123 basis points from IOI. So which is quite good because most of the companies are seeing cost inflation and margins have been under pressure. But for PSP, it was strong result. Then there is an update on paper sector where paper prices have gone up by 3 to 5,000 rupees as per our sources. From our coverage, JK paper remains our top pick. And lastly, on HDFC merger, so HDFC Limited has received no objection from National Housing Board, but CCI approval is still pending. So the things are processing going very fast for HDFC Limited. And we expect in next 6 to 9 months, if merger gets completed, the focus will shift on earnings. As of now, the stocks, the focus have been on merger and related approvals. So that's it from me. Over to you, the retail team.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. First, we'll see furthermore updates. Tech Mahindra is going to acquire its entire stake from the two South African joint ventures, that is Tech Mahindra South and Tech Mahindra Holdco Pty, for about 30 crores. They said in a filing that company is going to acquire entire 49% stake in Tech Mahindra South and a 4% stake in Holdco Pty. And this is from their partner Falcop Technologies, which is exiting the joint venture. Torrent Power came up with their earnings. The revenue was up by 74% at 6510 crores versus 3744 crores. Their EBITDA was also up by 7% at 1060 crores versus 990 crores. Their EBITDA margins stood at 16% versus 26%. The net profit was at 502 crores versus net they had posted a loss in the previous same year of 487 crores. Whirlpool India came up with their earnings. The revenue was up by 22% at 2081 crores versus 1706 crores. Their EBITDA fell by 11% at 131 crores versus 147 crores, and their EBITDA margin also fell by 3% at 6% versus 9%. And the net profit only fell by 0.12 at 84 crores versus 84 crores. More or less flat profit. Power Grid Corporation came up with their earnings and revenues up by 7% at 10,905 crores versus 10,219 crores. And their EBITDA was up by 3% at 9,249 crores versus 9,000 crores. And their margin was at 85% versus 88%. And the net profit also fell by 37% at 3,801 crores versus 5,998 crores. Brigade Enterprises is going to acquire a land parcel in Chennai from TVS Group, and they are going to partner with the landowners in Bangalore to develop two real estate projects. And their estimated potential sales would be 4,000 crore next 4 to 5 years. And last update from my side would be Apollo Hospital is going to acquire a hospital from NIFTY Healthcare in Gurugram Research around for 450 crores acquisition cost, and they are going to develop 650 beds that would be spread over 7 lakh square feet. So that would be from mine. I'll hand over to Prabhakar sir for more updates. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, team. Good morning, everyone. Many good results have come in the last 2 days. First, I will say the names, then I'll go to results. GNFC, Gujarat National Fertilizer and Chemicals, they have come with a very good results. Indian Hotel has come with a fantastic results. I think it is the best ever results in last 15 years which I have seen. And we have upgraded our target to 302. AFL India, one more good results. Sumi Chemical, one more good results. Tata Chemical, fantastic results from Tata Chemical, and even ABB came with a wonderful results. So that will boost Siemens, ABB, and AA Engineering. AA Engineering also came with good results. Natco Pharma, it was a turnaround results in pharma. I think Natco Pharma is a stock to watch. Galaxy Surf Excellent. Now they supply to a lot of FMCG companies like Hindustan Lever and Godrej, CP, and other companies. They have also reported very good results. GNFC, their revenue was higher by 77% at 2,696 crores. Profit after tax 2.3 times higher at 568 crores, and EPS for this quarter alone is 36 rupees. And their chemical division has done very well. Almost 1,796 crores is their revenue. Their EBITDA margin is 666 crores, which is 37%. So chemical division is doing very good for GNFC. Even for Gujarat Alkali Chemical, it was good. Even Tata Chemical, they have posted wonderful results. Torrent Power came with the results. Their revenue was higher by 110%, and their profit after tax was 503 crores, 141% higher. So Torrent Power also very good results. Whirlpool revenue was higher by 55% at 2,081, and their profit after tax was 84 crores at 2.31 times it is higher. City Union Bank came with results. Again, 11% is the total income increase at 1,316 crores. Profit after tax increased by 30% at 225 crores, and net NPA was at 2.89, and NIMS was at 3.95. The best part is their cost to income ratio is less than 40. Many companies are having even above 70, but they are less than 40. So this is one stock. Any correction is an opportunity to buy. Indian Hotel, Mahindra Holiday, Lemon Tree. All this hotel stock will be watching, because the interview from Levantine management, they were very clear that they feel without foreign tourist inflow itself, the rooms are booked, and even if the revenge travel comes down, the foreign tourist inflow will take care of that, is what they are saying. EID came with the results. 7,146 crores is a revenue, which is higher by 64%. Profit after tax 276 crores, which is higher by 2 times. EPS for the quarter is 15 rupees 57 paisa, and EID Parry has 6 sugar factories, and crushing capacity is for 40,300 ton per day, and 5 distilleries which can distill 297 kiloliter per day. So, and they have power unit of 140 megawatt. Brigade has said they will develop prime land parcel in Chennai and Bengaluru with a total potential of 4,000 crores in the next 4-5 years. Chennai, it is 1 million square feet. I think it is a Mount Road property where TVS Motor was there. And Bengaluru, it is 2 million square feet near a school. Amber Enterprises came with the results. Now again, the results on the face of it looks good, but they make component for air conditions and mobiles, so their margins are very low. So their revenue was higher by 158% at 1,826 crores. Their EBITDA margin is 7.2% and profit after tax is 43 crores, which is higher by 2.8 times. The total EPS for this quarter is 12 rupees 48 paisa. Even A Engineering came with results. 1,079 crores is the revenue, which is higher by 46%. EBITDA margin is higher by 23%. Profit after tax is 191 crores, higher by 28%. And very good results. And they said their capacity, which has been for a very long time at 3,90,000 metric ton per annum, now it will become 4,40,000. Their capacity is ready. They are just waiting for approval. And there was one brownfield expansion in Kerala GIDC project, where 80,000 metric ton of with the investment of 200 crore, which they have been waiting for approvals. If they get the approval, they will go ahead with the expansion plan. Their order book is 700 crores. IGL came with results. IGL revenue was higher by 155% at 3,530 crores. Their EBITDA margin dropped to 17.5% and profit after tax 481 crores, higher by 74%. Very important is their CNG volume improved by 63% and PNG volume by 17%. So overall volume improvement was 48%. So IGL, MGL result is not bad. No, the result is good. The volatility in the prices, the gas prices is something which is impacting their margin. But I think these are good stock for a long-term investor. When in bad time you have to buy good stocks in their bad time. Delivery came with results. Their revenue was higher by 30% at 1,746 crores. Company reported a loss of 400 crores versus 129 crores. We don't like this loss-making company. Yes, there is good growth, but when they will break on, how they will reverse their losses is something I don't understand. So I will avoid. The delivery is no from our side. Prestige came with results. Their revenue was higher by 42% at 1,938 crores, and profit after tax was higher by 3 times at 251 crores. Their debt reduced to 2,428. Even Shobha came with the results. Revenue was higher by 13% at 581 crores and profit after tax higher by 27% at 145 crores, and net debt 2,110 crores. They've reduced by 940 crores in the last 7 quarters. Tata Chemical, wonderful results. I think the stock will give you at least 10 to 15% return from current level. Their revenue was higher by 34% at 3,995 crores. EBITDA margin was 25% and their profit after tax is 641 crores, higher by 87%. Galaxy Surf Excellent, revenue was higher by 40% at 1,158 crores and profit after tax higher by 31% at 100 crores. There are good results from ABB, Natco Pharma, Sumi Chemical. No, due to lack of time, I will not be able to talk on all companies, but there are very good results. GNFC, Tata Chemical. So, be with those stocks, they will give you 10 to 15% return. With that, over to you, Kshitija.
थैंक यू सर. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. अभी हम लोग एक कॉल को एक बार हिंदी में कर लेते हैं. बहुत सारे कंपनी के नंबर्स आए थे. सेंसरटेक ने भी नंबर्स रिपोर्ट किए थे. वो नंबर्स वो सबड्यूट थे और उनकी जो सेल्स ग्रोथ है वो 22% से इंक्रीज हुए ईयर ऑन ईयर. और कंपनी का जो ओवरऑल रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ है वो इम्पैक्ट हुआ है माइक्रो रिलेटेड चैलेंजेस के कारण. और जो उनका स्पेंड था हाईटेक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और कंज्यूमर सर्विस में वो डिक्लाइन हो चुका है. कंपनी के जो मार्जिन है वो इम्पैक्ट हो चुके हैं क्योंकि जो वेजेस है हाइक करने के कारण और जो रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ है वो स्लो डाउन के कारण अभी कंपनी के ऊपर होल्ड रेटिंग के लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब से. इंडियन होटल्स के भी नंबर्स आए थे. नंबर्स जो थे वो हमारे एस्टिमेट से काफी अच्छे आए थे। उनकी जो डिमांड है लग्जरियस सेगमेंट में वो स्ट्रॉन्ग आई हुई है, और जो इम्प्रूवमेंट है और इम्प्रेसिव रिकवरी है और ट्रैवल बिजनेस में वो भी अच्छी है, और उनके जो नेट सेल्स है वो इम्प्रूव हुई है। नेट सेल्स है वो शूट अप हो चुके हैं 267.4% से ईयर ऑन ईयर, जो है 12.6 बिलियन, और उनका जो इबिटा है वो 3.7 बिलियन है, और नेट प्रॉफिट है वो 1.7 बिलियन है, और ये क्वार्टर में फाइनेंशियल ईयर 23 में। तो ओवरऑल अभी स्टॉक के ऊपर होल्ड रेटिंग है, और जो टारगेट प्राइस है वो 302 है। एवरेज कैन टू सिलेंडर के भी नंबर्स आए थे, नंबर्स जो थे वो हमारे एस्टिमेट से बिलो आए हैं। इबिटा मार्जिन इनलाइन आया है, रेवेन्यू है वो इंक्रीज हुआ है 13.6% ईयर ऑन ईयर, नेट प्रॉफिट फेल हो चुका है 44% से ईयर ऑन ईयर, जो अभी 387 मिलियन है। पीएसपी प्रोजेक्ट है उनके भी नंबर्स आए थे, पैट जो है वो इनलाइन आया है, रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज हुआ है 9% से ईयर ऑन ईयर, पैट जो है वो अभी 285 मिलियन है, जो इंक्रीज हुआ है 14% ईयर ऑन ईयर। ओवरऑल डिसेंट नंबर आए थे। पेपर के ऊपर एक अपडेट है कि पेपर के जो प्राइसेस है वो हाइक हुई है 3 to 5,000 टर्न के हिसाब से। तो पेपर सेगमेंट में जेके पेपर के ऊपर हम लोग पॉजिटिव हैं लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब से। एचडीएफसी के जो मर्जर है उसके लिए आरबीआई और सेबी का कोई भी ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है, उसके लिए उनको वो अप्रूवल मिला है, सिर्फ सीसीआई का अप्रूवल पेंडिंग है। नेक्स्ट अपडेट है टोरेंट पावर के नंबर्स आए थे, रेवेन्यू जो है वो 70% से 74% से इंक्रीज होकर 6,500 करोड़ के अराउंड आया है, और उनका जो नेट प्रॉफिट है वो 502 करोड़ है। वर्लपूल के भी नंबर आए थे, जो वर्लपूल का रेवेन्यू है वो 2081 करोड़ है, और जो उनका नेट प्रॉफिट है वो फेल हो चुका है और 84.58 करोड़ है। पावर ग्रिड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया है, उनके भी नंबर आए थे, रेवेन्यू है वो जो 7% से इंक्रीज होके 10,905 करोड़ है, और उनका जो नेट प्रॉफिट है वो गिर चुका है 37% से 3,801 करोड़। जो ब्रिगेड इंटरप्राइज है कंपनी अक्वायर करने वाली है लैंड जो चेन्नई और बेंगलोर में है, और ये जो चेन्नई वाला लैंड है वो टीवीएस के टीवीएस ग्रुप के पास है, और ये अभी 2 रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट कंपनी डेवलप करेंगे, और इसमें जो एस्टिमेटेड सेल्स का पोटेंशियल है वो 4,000 करोड़ है, और ये होगा नेक्स्ट 4 to 5 इयर्स में। अपोलो हॉस्पिटल इंटरप्राइजेस के ऊपर अपडेट है कि उन्होंने बोला है कि वो अक्वायर करने वाली है हॉस्पिटल असेट जो गुड़गांव में है, नियति हेल्थ केयर रिसर्च एनसीआर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, उसकी जो वैल्यू है वो 450 करोड़ है। और नेक्स्ट अपडेट है, बहुत सारे कंपनीज के नंबर्स आए थे, उसमें से जो अच्छे नंबर्स गुड जो कंपनी ने नंबर्स जो रिपोर्ट किए वो गुड के, उनमें से जीएनएफसी, इंडियन होटल, एफएल इंडिया, सुमी केमिकल, टाटा केम, एबीबी, नाटको फार्मा, गैलेक्सी सफन। जो ओवरऑल नंबर्स है ये कंपनी के बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, तो ये स्टॉक्स के ऊपर आप ध्यान दे सकते हो। जीएनएफसी के बाद जीएनएफसी के कंपनी के साथ स्टार्ट करते, ईपीएस जो है उनका 36 रुपीज है एक क्वार्टर में। उनका जो केमिकल डिवीजन है वो काफी अच्छे से मतलब ग्रोथ है उसमें देखी गई है, इबिटा 37% से इंक्रीज हुआ है। सिटी यूनियन बैंक के भी नंबर्स आए थे, जो उनका टोटल इनकम इंक्रीज है 11% से इंक्रीज हुआ है, पैट है वो 225 करोड़ है, और उनका जो निम्स है वो 3.9 है। ये स्टॉक में कभी भी करेक्शन आया तो ये बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी। ओवरऑल जो होटल सेगमेंट में इंडियन होटल है, महिंद्रा होटल है, लेमन ट्री है, ये स्टॉक्स वॉच आउट करने के जैसे है, क्योंकि फॉरेन जो ट्रैवलर्स है उनके मतलब वो नहीं आ रहे, तो भी उनके जो ओवरऑल होटल इंडस्ट्री के जो रूम्स है वो ओवरऑल फुल है, तो ओवरऑल होटल इंडस्ट्री में ग्रोथ देखी जा सकती है। ईआईडी पैरी के भी नंबर्स आए थे, रेवेन्यू 64% से इंक्रीज हुए थे, पैट 2 टाइम्स से इंक्रीज हुआ है, ईपीएस जो है वो 15.57 है, और उनकी जो 6 शुगर फैक्ट्री है और 5 डिस्टिलरी है जो 297 किलो लीटर पर डे प्रोड्यूस करती है। अंबर इंटरप्राइजेस के भी नंबर्स आए थे, मार्जिन लोअर्स आया है, रेवेन्यू जो है वो 1,826 करोड़ है, ईपीएस जो है वो 12.48 है। एआई एआईए इंजीनियरिंग के भी नंबर्स आए थे, रेवेन्यू है वो 46% से इंक्रीज होकर 1,079 करोड़ आया है, इबिटा मार्जिन जो है वो 23% से इंक्रीज हुआ है, पैट जो है वो 199 करोड़ है, 28% से इंक्रीज हुआ है। काफी अच्छे नंबर्स आए थे, और जो उनकी जो कैपेसिटी है वो अभी तक 3,97,000 थी, और अभी वो एक्सपांड होकर अभी वो 4,40,000 करने वाले। ओवरऑल उनकी ऑर्डर बुक भी अच्छी है। नेक्स्ट अपडेट है आईजीएल के ऊपर, आईजीएल के भी नंबर्स आए थे, इबिटा मार्जिन 17.5 से इंक्रीज हुआ है, पैट जो है वो 74% से इंक्रीज हुआ है, तो ओवरऑल उनके जो सीएनजी वॉल्यूम है उसमें भी इंप्रूवमेंट देखी गई 63% और पीएनजी में इंप्रूव देखी गई 17% से। तो ओवरऑल आईजीएल एमजीएल के दोनों के नंबर्स अच्छे आए थे, बट जो गैसेस की प्राइस के अप डाउन डेली होते रहते हैं उसके कारण ये स्टॉक में आप मूवमेंट देख सकते हो, बट ओवरऑल ये स्टॉक्स अच्छे हैं लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब से। डिलीवरी जो कंपनी है उनके भी नंबर्स आए थे। ये लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी है, कंपनी ने 400 करोड़ जो प्रीवियस जो लॉस रिपोर्ट किया है वर्सेस 129 करोड़। तो ये स्टॉक हम लोग को पसंद नहीं है, तो काइंडली अवॉइड करने चाहिए लॉस मेकिंग कंपनीज जो है वो स्टॉक्स। प्रेस्टीज के नंबर्स आए थे, रेवेन्यू 42% से इंक्रीज होकर 1938 करोड़ आया है, पैट 3 टाइम्स इंक्रीज होकर 251 करोड़ आया है, कंपनी की डेप्थ रिड्यूस हो चुकी है। शोभा के भी नंबर्स अच्छे आए थे, उनकी भी नेट डेप्थ है वो भी रिड्यूस होकर 2100 करोड़ है। टाटा केमिकल सेगमेंट में एकदम अच्छे नंबर्स आए थे। अब ये स्टॉक के यहाँ से 10-15% की रैली देख सकते हो। रेवेन्यू है वो 34% से इंक्रीज होके 3995 करोड़ आया है। इबिटा मार्जिन उनका 25% से इंक्रीज हुआ है। पैट 641 करोड़ रिपोर्ट किया है कंपनी ने, जो 87% से हायर आया है। ओवरऑल फंटास्टिक नंबर्स आए थे। तो केमिकल सेगमेंट में आप टाटा केम को भी स्टॉक को वॉच आउट कर सकते हो। गैलेक्सी सपकन के भी नंबर्स आए थे, जो पैट है वो 31% से इंक्रीज होके 100 करोड़ आया है और जो उनका रेवेन्यू 1158 करोड़ है। तो ये स्टॉक के भी नंबर्स काफी अच्छे आए थे। ओवरऑल जो हम लोगों ने बोला कि बहुत सारे कंपनी के नंबर्स अच्छे हैं, तो ये स्टॉक को आप वॉच आउट कर सकते हो। That's it from our end. Thank you everyone for joining the con call. Have a nice day.